If the remote control of your ride-on car isn't working, and you're looking for a way to fix it, then this article is for you. Some of the things we mention may seem quite obvious, but we would ask you to try them anyway, as they may just be the solution to your problem. Even though a lot of the ride-on car remote control units are universal, there's no guarantee that they will all work with each other. Check your batteries and replace. There could be 3 reasons why your remote control has stopped working. It could be missing batteries. Batteries inserted the wrong way round. Batteries may be too old, or corrosion of the batteries. Missing batteries. Now, of course, this is first on our list, because it is the most common reason for remote control not working. So before you do anything else, check to see if there are batteries inside the remote control. You would be surprised how often this is the reason for the remote to stop working. To check if there are batteries, open up the back of the remote and have a look inside. If you see 2 battery slots but no batteries, then that is probably your problem. Just pop in some new batteries and see if that does the trick. Batteries inserted the wrong way round. If you have checked that there are batteries in the remote and it still isn't working, then it could be that they have been put in the wrong way round. This happens more often than you might think, so check that the batteries are inserted correctly according to the diagram inside the battery compartment. Old batteries. Batteries will naturally degrade over time, so if your remote was working fine and then suddenly stopped, it could be that the batteries need to be replaced. This is super easy to do. Simply take out the old batteries and put in some new ones. Corroded batteries. If you live in a humid climate, there is a chance that the batteries in your remote control could be corroded. This happens when the battery acid leaks out and damages the contact points in the battery compartment. If this is the case, then you may need to clean out the battery compartment before you can use the remote again. If it still doesn't work after you have cleaned the battery compartment, then it is entirely possible that the battery acid has leaked onto the circuit board and damaged it beyond repair. In this case, you will need to buy a new remote control. Check the connection between the remote and the car. Sometimes the problem lies not with the remote, but with the connection between the remote and the car. If you are having trouble getting your car to respond to the remote, then it could be that there is a problem with this connection. Bluetooth. The vast majority of modern ride-on cars now have a Bluetooth connection. This means that there is a wireless connection between the car and the remote. If this connection is lost or interrupted, then the car will not respond to the remote. To fix this, you will need to turn off the car and the remote. Then turn them both back on again and see if that has re-established the connection. Retailer. If you have tried some of the solutions in this video and you still can't get your remote to work, then there may be a problem with the remote itself. In this case, you will need to take it back to the retailer and ask for a replacement or a refund, depending on how long you have had it and their terms and conditions.